Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, February 10th, and this is my market recap video where we're going to take a quick look at the euro dollar on the 1 hour time frame. If you haven't done so already, definitely join my free Discord trading community. It is 100% free. Link is at the end of this video in the corner and in the description of the video. If you would like to join my membership, then you can get access to all these benefits listed below and more at my website, fxpipcollector.com for only $30 per month. So anyways, on the go dollar overall, it was an extremely slow day. I mean, very, very, very slow so far this today. Apparently, we do have Trump talking tonight. If you look at the news calendar, it says President Trump is talking tonight. So definitely be careful for that. And then tomorrow we have Powell talking, and we got Bailey speaking from the UK. So a lot of people talking over the next couple of days. To me, this euro dollar is still looking like an uptrend. I still think there's a pretty good chance this is an A. Definitely made three waves up, makes it look like a B. This move down still looks to me like a possible wave C. If this move right here makes a higher low and then goes up and makes an impulsive move to the upside, continuing to respect this 61% Fibonacci level, then I think that would potentially be an end of a crescent and maybe even the beginning of a subdivision, which would be a 1, 2, 3 of the higher time frame trend. So a possible good long opportunity if that is what happens. Keep an eye for the breaker structure because that is what will confirm the move. No breaker structure, no confirmation of a move to the upside. So anyways, don't forget to join my free Discord trading community. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.